Hello, this is Marie from Learn English and Practice. Today, we will practice with the senses, what you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. We will do 5 short conversations. Please speak, listen, and practice as we go through these conversations at the beginner level. Let's go. Keywords: sight, see; hearing, hear; taste, smell, touch. Listen first. What do you see in the box? I see a cat in the box. Wow, it is a cute cat. Let me look too. Come over and see it. Practice. Me, then you. What do you see in the box? That's great. Does it look good? Practice. You, then me. I see pizza in the box. Yes, I love pizza. Yes, it looks delicious. You try. Pause and practice with, what do you see in the box? Listen first. What do you hear on the radio? I hear music on the radio. Great. What kind of music? It is pop music. Do you like to listen to pop music? It isn't my favorite, but it's okay. Practice. Me, then you. What do you hear on the radio? Great. Do you like to listen to rock music? Do you want me to turn off the radio? Practice. You, then me. I hear rock music on the radio. No, I hate it. Yes, please. You try. Pause and practice with, what do you hear on the radio? Listen first. How does the food taste? It tastes good. That's great. Yes, I love pizza. Me too. The sauce is the best part. Yes, the sauce is delicious. Practice. Me, then you. How does the food taste? What's wrong with it? Oh no. Practice. You, then me. It tastes bad. It has too much salt. Yeah, I hate it. You try. Pause and practice with, how does the food taste? Listen first. What does the garbage smell like? The garbage smells stinky. That makes sense. Why? It has old eggs in it. Yuck. Practice. Me, then you. What does the garbage smell like? Well, garbage is usually stinky. Will you take it out? Practice. You, then me. It smells bad. I know. Sure. You try. Pause and practice with, what does the garbage smell like? Listen first. What does the rock feel like? The rock feels hard. That makes sense. Do you have anything that is not hard? I have a soft blanket. That's wonderful. Practice. Me, then you. What does the rock feel like? It isn't smooth? Is it hard? Practice. You, then me. The rock feels rough. No, it is not smooth. Yes, it is. You try. Pause and practice with, what does the rock feel like? Challenge time. Here are the 5 questions we practice with today. What do you see in the box? What do you hear on the radio? How does the food taste? What does the garbage smell like? What does the rock feel like? Pause and practice with those questions. Great job today. There are other beginner videos on this channel, and there isn't going to be an intermediate video on this topic. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you see in your house in the comments below. Thanks so much, and I'll put videos and playlists right here. Goodbye.